Hi guys, I'm Michelle. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Polene bag. I got the number 1 Nano, and first I'm just going to show you me unboxing the bag, and then I'm going to talk about it, so just stay tuned. Okay, so it comes with this gorgeous dust bag, and the dust bag is really durable and it's really great quality. So that was a great sign when I seen the dust bag. But yeah, so this is the bag. It is so gorgeous. I love it. It's so small, and I'm just the type that I don't carry much, so I'm so into the mini bags. It's not even a trend for me. Yeah, and I hardly ever carry my large bag, so yes. When I saw this bag, it was just so cute, and I just love the little details. I love how simplistic it is. I love that it has the brand name Polene right here. It's not too gaudy or anything. It's just simple, and I love it. And yeah, so love that it's the top handle bag. Also, you can wear a crossbody. The straps are removable, which is great because I can see myself carrying it more so top handle than crossbody. But on those days that I have to go run errands, this is a great option to carry a crossbody, and it's just so cute. Okay, so this is how you open the bag. You just pull this down and it pops right open. It also has 2 snaps right here too, so if you need more space, you can easily just pop this open, and it gives you, makes the bag a little bit more roomy. But yeah, so let me take this stuff out. Okay, so inside the bag it comes with, it is an inside pocket, and the quality of the interior, it seems like really great quality. It seems like it'll also be easy to clean if you were to waste something. But yes, this is like the perfect size for me. And let's see, and it does have like the little tag in the inside that say Polene made in Spain, so you know where it's made. It does have a pocket at the back, and I got the smooth leather. So when I first got the bag, when I first actually opened it out of the packaging, it came packaged very well, as you should have seen previously in the video. But there was a scratch on the bag, and I'm going to insert pictures of the scratch. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it well now, but there was like a scratch on the bag about 1 inch. I did reach out to the brand and I told them about that. I sent them pictures, and they, you know, they were very responsive. I know that I reached out to them, it was around the holidays, so it did take a while for them to get back to me, but they reached out, and they, you know, they apologized about the inconvenience, and they sent me a return label to ship it back so they can send me a new bag. So I just didn't feel like it was that big of a deal. I just asked like, oh, can I just get a percentage off due to the defect? But they insisted that I send the bag back. So on day before yesterday, I went ahead and printed the label off, and I requested a pickup from DHL to come get the package. So DHL, they got the package and everything. I put the return label on it. And yesterday I received an email saying that my package was out for delivery, and I saw that DHL, they were returning the package back to me. And I was confused because I put the return label on there that they provided, and they were just saying that it was an invalid waybill number. So yeah, I reached out to the brand about that, and I reached out yesterday. I haven't got a response yet. So at this point, I hate shipping stuff back, especially internationally. I didn't even want to go through that process. So at this point, I just decided I'm gonna just go ahead and keep the bag. Hopefully they reach out and maybe offer a percentage off due to the scratch. But if not, I'm okay. It's not that bad, but I can still see it when I look at the bag, and I just feel like for me to pay $300 for a bag, it's just be in, you know, perfect condition when I get it. If I scratch it over time, you know, it is what it is. I know that smooth leather isn't as durable, but the fact that it came with a scratch, I didn't like that. But hopefully they contact me and we'll be able to get that squared away. But other than that, I love this bag. When I opened it, I was just, it looks so good. It's so cute. And it's just so different. Like, I haven't seen a bag like this. And I love that about this brand because their items are different. A lot of more affordable luxury bags, they kind of look like dupes to higher end handbags. But I love that they were creative and came up with their own unique style. And because of that, it's just, it sets them apart because I haven't seen a bag like this before. And when I saw it, I was just like, oh my gosh, I need this bag. And I just started just doing a lot of research, watching a lot of YouTube videos, going on the website, looking on purse form. But yeah, and I'm so glad that I made this decision to buy this bag. It's so cute, so cute. I definitely could see myself buying more items from them. Hopefully they provide excellent customer service to make me want to continue shopping with them because, you know, that's a big deal as well. But, you know, we'll see how they respond to this situation, and if they respond well, I would definitely purchase more from the brand. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you how it looks on. I'm gonna stand up so that you can see how it fits on me. I'm 5'7", and also I forgot to say that the straps are adjustable. Now, I do love that they were very attentive when creating the bag. They have Polene right here on both sides. Polene is right there. Let's see. Polene is when you open it on the little snap part, it has Polene there as well. Also at the bottom. And even on the feet of the bag, it has Polene on all of them as well. And it's just, that just goes to show that, you know, they, even with them being affordable, I appreciate them taking the time to brand themselves throughout this bag, like how higher end, like Louis Vuitton, how they do on their bags. Yes, so I just really, really like that. What else do I like about the bag? Let's see, I like the back pocket. I'm not sure what I can fit back here. I could probably fit like my card holder if I just wanted to slide it back here. Maybe, or I can stick my phone in here and it just be standing up. I probably can do that. I purchased my bag in December, so it seems like during the holiday season they offer free shipping to the US, and the shipping is normally about $30, so that isn't too bad because this bag costs $300, so $330 for a bag like this, I still feel like that's a really great deal. And it took about 5 days for me to get it, and I know I probably would have gotten it sooner if it wasn't for the holidays. So yes, I love it. I definitely recommend. Recommend doing your research too, because with this being a new brand, there's not much information out there about it, but I definitely still feel like it's worth $300. Definitely worth $300. And then with a lot of these higher end brands, with these constant price increases and quality doesn't match it, I just, I don't like that. You know, you can get a bang for your buck because it's an all leather bag, it's smooth leather, and the quality, it seems to be really good other than this minor issue with the scratch, but this could have happened anytime, even maybe when they were packaging the bag up, somebody could have scratched it. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I'm still happy with the purchase. I definitely recommend this brand. So yeah, just thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I think I'm gonna do what's in my bag with this bag as well to see what fits. Maybe I can compare this to my Alma BB to see what holds more. Let me know if you want to see a video like that. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.